Welcome to the Atoshi ecosystem, where innovation meets community and every step forward is a step into the future. Let's take a closer look at where we are now and where we're heading next. It's Testnet phase versus Mainnet phase, and this is your journey map. Testnet phase. We're currently in the Testnet phase, the most important foundation stage of Atoshi. This phase is all about preparation, perfection, and building trust. We're gathering real feedback from real users, testing the system across geographies and use cases to ensure we're ready for a global rollout. Every button, every tap, tested, improved, and optimized. This ensures a seamless user experience in the long run. At the core of Atoshi is its community. From 0 to over 14 million strong, every user here is a builder, a miner, a contributor. Your ATOS journey is protected. Token mappings connect your past contributions to your future rewards, honoring every step you've taken with us. And of course, the glory board, where effort meets recognition. Compete, engage, and rank to unlock your verified ATOS. Mainnet phase. Now let's talk about the future, the Mainnet phase. This is when everything we've built becomes fully real, fully usable, and globally impactful. Use your ATOS like real currency. Pay for goods and services, both online and offline. Stake your ATOS to earn passive rewards, participate in decentralized finance, and shape the Atoshi economy. Send money across the world in seconds. No banks, no borders, no delays. Your tokens will have real-world use inside the full Atoshi ecosystem. Buy, play, gift, wish, all in one place. With our mainnet, Atoshi becomes truly global, accessible to anyone, anywhere, anytime. From testing to transformation, from validation to value, Atoshi is more than a token. It's a movement. Together, we're not just mining crypto, we're building the future. Atoshi, mining made simple, powered by community.